everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable background apps in Windows 10 so you can save battery, boost performance, and even reduce internet usage. Okay, let's get started. Background apps keep running even when you are not using them. This can slow down your PC, eat up RAM and CPU, and then drain your laptop's battery and use unnecessary internet data. And by turning them off, you can make your system more responsive. So first just click on the start menu and then select settings and then go to privacy and scroll down and go to background apps, this one, just click on it. And here you will see a list of apps running in the background. Simply switch off the ones that you don't need. Don't worry, you can always turn them back on later if necessary. And just for pro tips, you can also check the task manager to see which apps are using your resources the most. You can press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape like this. And then just look the apps that using your resources the most in the process tab like this. And that's it. You have just disabled backgrounds app in Windows. Just enjoy a faster PC, longer battery life, and a smoother experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!